Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Waldner, Senior Product Manager for the Monitor Health Group at GitLab. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of the Triage workflow, which encompasses alert and incident management product categories within the health group. Okay. So during this walkthrough, I'm going to follow a critical alert that came into my project, and we're going to triage it, create an incident, and explore different ways that we can respond and update stakeholders. So starting with my demo application, I'm going to dive into the list of alerts. So GitLab now aggregates IT alerts from any external source that you integrate with the REST endpoint. For this project, I've already set up that REST endpoint and then used a curl command to generate some alerts so we can explore the different tools that we can use to triage them. So what we're looking at is the aggregated list of alerts. At a high view, we've got a couple of different attributes here: severity, start time, end time, name of the alert, number of times it's fired, who's assigned, and then the status. So something commonly that I'll do when triaging alerts is either sort by severity and start time. So sorting by start time, I can see that I've got a high severity alert that came in about 30 minutes ago. I've got a little bit of information on what's happening, and I'm going to go ahead and acknowledge that so that other team members of mine know that I'm working on it and don't duplicate work or ask questions. They know that I'm taking care of that. So I'm also going to assign myself because I'm starting the initial investigation. So taking a look at this alert, the overview tab gives me a few high-level attributes to help orient to what's going on. I see it's hitting my Bob Burgers production service. That's something that I want running for my customers, and it looks like it started 30 minutes ago, so I need to check out to see if this is impacting availability. And then you can also see that in the system notes of this alert, we're tracking status changes and then assignee, so we can see that I assigned it to myself here. So the alert details is going to give me the payload where I'm going to get more information about what's happening. I know it's coming from my monitoring tool, which is on this critical service. And then I've got this notes field, which should be giving me more information. Probably want to make that a bit cleaner so it's a lot easier to read through. So I think that I want my team to respond to this. I think that we need to create a critical incident for this so that we can get the service restored. And I'm going to do that by creating an issue for this. So this is going to convert that alert into an issue, into an incident issue. And I know that because it's labeled incident. And now that this is an incident, I've got a few more tools at my disposal that I'll be able to use to respond to this. So now that I've created this issue, I want to make sure that my team knows about it. And so if I come over here into the Slack channel that I've got set up with this project, you can see that the OpsBot sent in the alert when it initially fired, and then that I created an incident issue for this. So Slack is really commonly used as a central command notification center for alerts and incidents. So the fact that GitLab sends these to Slack makes it really easy to notify, share findings, things of that nature for critical incidents. So clicking on it is going to take me back into GitLab. So something else that I'm going to want to do here, my Bob Burgers service looks to be impacted for customers. So I want to tell my customers and my other business stakeholders what's going on. And I can do that by publishing to a status page using the / command. So now that that's been published, if I refresh the page, I can access my GitLab status page directly from that issue. And now this is publicly available to business stakeholders, to customers to watch and monitor as my team responds to this incident. Something else, if you have a Zoom channel that you're really used to using, or that you have a standing conference platform, you can associate that with the incidents as well. And that's going to surface at the top of the issue. And so in addition to the status page, my team, if they've seen the incident in Slack, are able to hop into this incident, join the conference bridge, and as they work on it, we've got all of our collaboration tools and findings sharing in a single place. Okay, so that's the triage workflow. Thank you for watching.